Hi, my spectacular chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare a thick cut pork chop in a frying pan using both the stovetop and then the oven to finish it off. All I used to prepare this dish was a thick cut Porterhouse pork chop, a knob of butter, plus good old salt and pepper. Just like a beef porterhouse, this has the tenderloin on one side of the T-bone and the strip steak on the other. With that said, let's get cooking. As with any meat, fish, or poultry, make sure the chop is at room temperature and patted dry to remove any moisture before cooking. This helps to promote browning. Then, season both sides nicely with fresh cracked salt and pepper. In a heated skillet or frying pan, add a knob of butter, and then you're going to sear both sides of the chop for about 2 minutes per side until it's developed a nice brown crust. And then we're going to finish it in the oven to bake it through. If you have a decent amount of fat along the side of the chop, lift up the chop and try to render the fat down a bit just for some extra flavor. This won't happen merely by frying it on the top or bottom. It needs this little extra bit of attention. Just give it a minute or two and try to just melt some of that fat down, render that fat out. It'll help in the long run. Then transfer the skillet into a preheated oven at 400 degrees and cook for 8 more minutes. Only do this if your frying pan is oven safe. Otherwise, transfer the chop to something that is oven safe. We're just making sure the meat is cooked through at this point. Unlike beef, you want to make sure pork, and poultry for that matter, are fully cooked through. Once done, remove it from the oven, let it sit at room temperature about 5 minutes so the juices can redistribute. Plate, carve, tuck in. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions? Is there anything you did do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!